Which vegetables should not be refrigerated? Biggest kitchen mistakes. You should not refrigerate tomatoes, potatoes, onions, garlic, winter squash, sweet potatoes, avocados, and bell peppers, as cold temperatures ruin their texture and flavor, making tomatoes mealy, potatoes gritty, and onions moldy. Keep these in a cool, dark, dry place instead. Fresh herbs like basil, and certain items like cucumbers, also suffer in the fridge, developing wateriness or slime. Vegetables to keep out of the fridge. Tomatoes. Refrigeration breaks down texture and flavor. Potatoes. Cold turns starches to sugar, making them gritty and sweet. Store in a cool, dark pantry. Onions and garlic. Moisture in the fridge causes mold and sogginess. Keep in a dry, ventilated spot. Winter squash, butternut, acorn, prefer cool, dry conditions. Sweet potatoes. Similar to regular potatoes, best in a cool, dark place. Avocados. Refrigerate only after they are ripe if you want to slow ripening, but keep unripe ones on the counter. Bell peppers. Lose crispness and can get pitted skin in the cold. Cucumbers. Become watery and develop pits. Basil. Refrigeration causes it to blacken. Store in water on the counter like flowers. General storage tips. Best spot. A cool, dark, dry pantry or countertop works for most of these. Ventilation. Especially important for onions and garlic to prevent moisture buildup.